Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 5th August 2025, Nifty index opened positive and steadily rose throughout the day towards 24,750. Price action showed support zone defense as buyers emerged precisely at the key technical confluence of 24,550 zones, and it managed to close near its day's high with gains of around 160 points. It formed a bullish candle with an inside bar on the daily frame. India VIX was marginally down at 11.97 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.94. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200, while immediate range is in between 24,500 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,403 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,256 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 9%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests now if Nifty holds above 24,600, then bounce could be seen towards 25,000 levels, while supports can be seen at 24,442. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 55,750, some weakness could be seen towards 55,000, while hurdle can be seen at 56,000 levels. Finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in AB Capital, Delhivery, JSW Energy, Hero MotoCorp, Jindal Steel, Polycab and JSW Steel, while some weakness could continue in NCC, Power Grid, Siemens, ONGC and HDFC Life. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.